Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 21st, 2022. Today, noun game. 10 questions. It will start easy. Number 1. This is a round glass container with a lid. Here's a picture. They are used for storing things. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. It's called a jar. It's called a jar. Number 2. This is a person on a motorbike, but my question is, what do you call the white thing on his head? You wear it on your head for protection. The second missing letter is an L. Helmet. It's called a helmet. Number 3. For this one, you have to unscramble the letters. This is something that is known to be true, especially when it can be proved. And the last letter is a T. Fact. For example, it is a fact that it is raining now. I can prove it. What's this one? You have to unscramble the letters again. This is a passage built underground. Here's a picture. Here are 2. It's a passage built underground for cars or trains. The first letter is a T, and the second letter is a U. Tunnel. 1 tunnel, 2 tunnels. We are driving through a tunnel now. The next one is only 3 letters. It's called a. This is a set of things that all go together. Here's an example. This one is for makeup, but it could be for tools or for first aid equipment. It's only 3 letters beginning with a K. And the first missing letter is an I. Kit. It's called a kit. For example, a sewing kit, a first aid kit, a makeup kit. Number 6. Oh no, there was a in the street. This is when 2 vehicles hit each other. They crash into each other. Collision. Oh no, there was a collision in the street. From the verb to collide. Number 7. Does Bob have a at this club? This is an arrangement where you belong to the club. Maybe you pay every month. And both of the missing letters are the same letter. Membership. Does Bob have a membership at the club? Is he a member? This recipe is of the old recipe. A recipe is something you follow when you are cooking something. And the word we're looking for is just a slight change when something is a little different. It's almost the same as the old one, just a little bit different. Variation. It's a variation of the old recipe. It comes from this word, to vary, with an A. Oh no, Bob is in jail for... This is the crime of stealing money or goods from a bank or a shop or a person. Robbery. He's in jail for robbery. From the verb to rob somebody or something. Bad news. The boss gave Jennifer an... This is a final warning. When you tell somebody that if you don't do this, then bad things will happen. It's kind of like a threat. Slowly, ultimatum. Quickly, ultimatum. In today's game, word number 4, tunnel, is also a verb. We say to tunnel under something. We are using the Svano vocabulary 8000. It is the 8,000 words that you need to be fluent. Game over. Did you have fun? Very nice. What's your name? What country do you live in? How many languages can you speak? Do you have jars at home? What do you put in the jars? Do you wear a helmet when you ride your bike? Did you drive through a tunnel before? Whoa, you're doing very well today. I'll see you next time. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.